Hi, I'm Jim Pryor from Quietco, and today I want to talk about wardrobes, built-in wardrobes. Do they reduce the noise? Do they make noise worse? And how do you stop that noise from sliding wardrobe doors, coat hangers and things like that coming from the neighbours, coming from that separating party wall? How do you stop those noises, and do wardrobes actually reduce the noise? One thinking people have is, I know, I will get built-in wardrobes, I'll fill it full of clothes and that will reduce the noise coming through the separating party wall. Okay, so two things with this. First of all, if you are going to do this, it doesn't reduce the noise. It will change the acoustics within the room, it will change the sound energy, but it won't reduce the noise coming through. So two things to note with this. If you're getting the built-in wardrobes and it has a backing, like a veneer back, so that means when you put your clothes into the wardrobe, it goes to a nice veneer back, which is the same material that your wardrobes are made from, then that can make the noise worse. You've created a similar effect like the dot and dab, where you've created a pocket of air and you've channeled the noise. So that can actually make the noise worse. So if you are going to do it, make sure you put the clothes in and you actually you leave the backing off of the back. So when you put your clothes in, you actually see the wallpaper of the actual wall or see the painted surface. You haven't put a backing on the wardrobe. The correct thing to do is soundproof the floor before you put any wardrobe down. So make sure you put acoustic mineral wool, we're talking about an RW3 at 60 kgs into the floor joist at least 1.2 meters back before you install that wardrobe. Because if you install that wardrobe, it makes it very difficult to get to that floor and you'll find that a lot of noise is coming from the floor. The correct way to do the whole thing is to get soundproofing done first. And we have a 3.5-inch system, which is perfect, which still allows you to mechanically fix to the wall for built-in wardrobes. You therefore barriered the noise directly. You've insulated the floor to stop the noise coming under, and we do the ceiling too and the flanking areas before you install those wardrobes. There is a lot of people that install the wardrobes, they spend a lot of money on built-in wardrobes that look absolutely beautiful, then to have the heartache that, oh, actually they've made the noise worse, or in order to soundproof you need to remove the wardrobes and you've got to go through the whole process again. Because the wardrobes are often bespoke and built to the size and the opening of the room, they've got to be removed and then got to be reinstalled again. So this problem is very common for noise from neighbour projects and actually road traffic noise. A lot of people put the wardrobes up there to barrier noise in loft conversions to stop the noise coming in through the eaves and things like that. So just bear that in mind. Get the soundproofing done first, then get the built-in wardrobes put in afterwards. So I hope that little video helps. I'm Jim Pryor from Quietco. Check out our website for more information.